Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. I'm so happy you are here and following my Evolve series. I'm having so much fun with them and I love them and creating them. Today I will be working on a long canvas, and this technique, it's perfect to go over old canvases. So I'm gonna reuse a couple of them. I will start with a Prussian blue base and then let the paint flow and see where it takes me and create those beautiful brush strokes. So let's get started. I'm starting with a Prussian blue by Golden Fluid Acrylics, and you see how fluid it is and how easy it is spreading out. Also, my base is already wet with a little bit of water, so it's even more easy to spread out. Prussian blue is a transparent color, so I will pour more of this color till it's this deep, beautiful blue opaque base. This is such a beautiful color. And after the base is done, I will create some brush strokes with gold. And I love gold on a dark blue base. Well, I love gold in general. But this really helps me to determine the flow and the composition of the painting that I want to create. So not only it's beautiful, but it also helps me create the flow. Couple more strokes and then I will start pouring white on top of this painting. Alright, the base is ready, it's still wet, and I'm pouring the white. Of course, I need to torch it because it has quite a lot of air bubbles. And now I will create brush strokes with the white on top of this base. And the first stroke is one of the most important ones. And I'm really trying to do this very gently and look every time where I want the paint to flow. And I'm loving the transparency in the white here and the color that it creates with that Prussian blue. I want quite a simple design today. I will let this dry and then I will start drawing some gold lines on top of this painting because I think that will really make this painting pop. The painting is dry, and because on the background I already had a couple of these golden strokes, I want to emphasize these a bit more and go with this flow first and then see if I'm pleased with it or it needs some more, and I can really create this endless flow with the gold, the white and the Prussian blue. Also, I'm not scared to draw these lines because if I mess up, and the base is, of course, just an opaque Prussian blue, I can always paint over these lines Prussian blue. So I really feel like I can take risks here with this painting. I will keep working on this, looking, drawing, till I'm so happy with this painting, and I will show you the end result.